get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh yeah, it's after 12. We're a little late going on, but it's okay. Well, this is our first ride of 2025.
We got something in store for you.
We do?
Yes, we do.
We hope to have a good
Season.
this
Yes.
year and lots of rides in, so make sure you stay tuned.
If you really like us, you got to let us know. You got to comment, you got to subscribe and like. Share those films with your buddies because we want to get 500 followers by the end of the season.
So, Blue's ready to go, and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. Well, good morning.
It is good afternoon.
Oh, I did it again.
Yep, we're back.
Let's take two. Good afternoon. We're back.
We're back.
It's the 13th of March. And we're gonna hopefully have a decent day.
We don't know if it's going to be decent until the end.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
we're just out on a ride.
Absolutely.
Breaking in the new oil change that my honey put in there. Testing the weather. Doesn't seem that bad right now.
That's I got 64 degrees on the bike, which is awesome. And tomorrow makes a 2-year anniversary of moving to Pennsylvania.
Woohoo!
A year ago today, we were in a U-Haul van.
In the snow.
It snowed that night. And we did the signing of for the house on the 14th. So this is a
Monumental ride.
yes. Was that-
Anniversary ride.
well, it might be good tomorrow. I heard it in the 70s tomorrow, so we'll go from there. So stay tuned with us and enjoy the ride with us.
And hopefully this 2025 season will bring you great adventures with us because that's what we want.
So make sure you share everything with your friends. Let them know about our channel.
Give us some suggestions.
Yeah.
I mean, we plan on doing some riding this year, and my hopes is to get to Gettysburg, Philadelphia, with our friends Bob and Amy, because those are our riding partners in crime and in fun, that is. Hopefully this season turns out really good.
Absolutely. I almost okayed.
Ah, geez, he's back!
Well, let's enjoy the weather. Stay tuned. I figure we'll take some videos.
Okay.
We've been riding, enjoying the weather. I said, hey, we gotta take some videos.
Yeah, we were just reminiscing about our last ride with Bob and Amy. And it was only like 56 degrees, but when you're on a bike, it's more like 40.
It was a cold, all the gas.
It was horrible. I think that ended our 24 season. I'm sure it was close to October then, but a far cry today though. It's gorgeous out here.
Yep.
We missed those aromatherapy rides.
Right now we're getting aromatherapy of brakes in the truck in front of us. Keep walking. We're on 422. Enjoying this beautiful weather, like a 66 degrees. Pretty soon this will all be green. Lincoln Hills Speedway.
Yep. So, just shits and giggles, do you want to take a ride up to Joanne, see what they got left?
We could.
All right. I mean, I'm kind of adamant about making this damn blanket for some reason.
Rita's doing her crocheting, she needs some yarn. So we're doing a yarn run.
A yarn run. You know, because that's what I do at least from October to March is crochet.
And it's all the Joannes where we used to get her yarn. They're all closing. Now we gotta find another place. Is it Michael's?
Yep.
Just down the road from them, so we'll hit that one and check everything out. Glad I got plenty of room on the bike.
Yeah. I'm not that bad.
So we're headed to Indiana. Indiana, PA. And we're enjoying this day.
Woo! He's already rhyming, folks.
It's going to be a good year. Well, we got our yarn at Joanne's.
I like how he says we.
Yeah, we.
I'm going to get him to start crocheting.
I'll stick with my 3D printing.
Yeah, that's what he does 4 months out of the year. And every day he can in the summer.
Yep. We're doing some exploring now. We've never been on this one. Ben Franklin Road. We'll see where it takes us. We're working our way home. But when you're 40 miles away from home, or 45 miles.
Oh, can I plug in your 3D site, honey? RJ3dprint at gmail.com.
Oh, okay. I gotta post some more stuff up on that. I haven't done it in a while. Get a lot of neat stuff. Neat car. So we're up to 71 degrees on this beautiful Thursday.
March.
Lucky 13.
Well, for us it was.
We were, let's see, we were almost to the hotel 2 years ago. Okay. Like we said before, 2 years ago we was on our way up to PA to do the closing on our house. Best thing we've done.
Absolutely.
Oh, this is a nice road. Wherever it takes me.
It's squiggly, honey.
Oh.
Gotta get those squiggly roads in.
We're just weeing down the road. it's going to take us. We'll catch you on the flip side. This is a cool road. Now we're on, it looks like Chinese Run Road.
Forgive us for...
It could be, I don't know, Chinese Run, Cheese Run, I can't. But pretty neat.
We could have been on this road with Bob and Amy coming back from the Yarnix or going to Yarnix.
I don't know. Oh, yep, we're coming up to 422. That's where it is.
Oh, so now we know if we have to go back up that way, we'll
Yeah,
just
we
take
can
this
cut-
road. Quite a bit off.
There's a beautiful view over here, over on the right. Check that out.
And it's so much prettier when it's all green.
There we go. See if we can go that way. What a beautiful view. Love coming by here, checking it out. Lovely.
Just lovely.
It's just lovely.
The babies.
Oh, okay. Oh, my okay.
Well, you're okay because you're probably tired of hearing me saying babies.
Babies.
All cows and animals are babies.
But it says 422. A beautiful view. A beautiful view on 422.
Oh. On blue too.
Oh, I have when I change the oil, I put in AMS oil, the one for the motorcycles. I will put the name of it on there. It's shifting a heck of a lot better. Made a big difference in shifting. You still get the little clump when you shift from neutral to first gear, but shifting between gears, you don't even hear it. Well worth it. I recommend it. Recommended by Bluetooth.
That's right.
We're back. I had to say something.
I'm trying to figure out a new ending for the video, so.
Yeah, we'll have to redo the whole shebang, but we'll take some time. I'm glad you came along with us. We had a beautiful day. Here's Red.
You could probably hear the puppies barking.
Yeah.
But don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends.
We appreciate it.
Guarantee we're going to have a shebang of a 2020. A shebang.
Shebang?
Yeah, we're going to have a great season, 2025.
Okay. And then that with a shebang. Thanks for watching.